line adapters that you can get from Torx, where if you've got a solid lines in your car already, like the school does, we can adapt that to fit an AN fit in straight onto our hard line and then come off into AN, same as the engine bay. But all it is literally a fit in with a little olive in it. And which all you've got to do, you've got to cut the nipple off, which I've already done, the straightest cut you've ever seen. There's all that in there.
Straighten out
You
your
left with a pipe like that. I done it like that just to get our brass on a bit easier, know what I mean?
Yeah.
So you slide that fitting on first. Which goes on like that.
Cut some out.
Yeah, make your work cut some that way, innit?
Yeah.
Some of the protector like snips. I sure I drove it. Butcher this off, I know. Like stripping the cable. Right, nice thicker than we think. Definitely. Stand your blade on the table. Like that. Should cut it. You cut this with a grinder just now. I didn't realise till after there's could have been fooling you. I could have been really interested.
But I found out real quick.
I could have gone south real quick. Funny enough, we built the engine, but now we got to rebuild. Oh, I can't remember hitting the rabbit though. Yes, Math.
Camera definitely picked that up.
Yeah, oh, I do. I got him, I got my dad on the camera, everything. Spiky me. Right. And then you get our fit in first, which slides over there. You've got a bit of meat in. Then a couple of brass bits should go over. Give your fit in a bit of lube, just to save the threads of it. And then slide him in, like so, up to the stop. And then boom it.